Welcome everyone. This is day 37 of our 60-day senior fitness series. If you are new here, join us from today. We do simple daily exercises to keep your legs strong, mobile, and pain-free. Exercise 1. Sit and stand, 50 repetitions. Let us begin with our first exercise, sit and stand, which is one of the best daily movements for seniors because it strengthens your legs, improves balance, and builds confidence in everyday activities. Please take a moment and grab a sturdy chair. Make sure the chair is placed on a flat surface and does not slide. Position yourself right in front of the chair with your feet flat on the floor, your knees aligned with your toes, and your back straight. When you sit down, lower yourself gently, and when you stand up, push through your heels slowly and steadily. We will complete 50 repetitions together, and I want you to move at a comfortable pace without rushing. I am right here with you, guiding you like a trainer standing in front of you. Now let us begin our count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your chest lifted. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are doing very well. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep breathing. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful progress. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Stay steady. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Do not stop now. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Great strength. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost done. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Excellent work. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. How are you feeling right now? I hope your legs are warming up and feeling active. Remember, this is day 37 of our 60-day journey, and every repetition you complete brings you closer to stronger mobility. Please tell me in the comments which country you are watching from, because I love seeing how far our senior family reaches around the world. You are doing an amazing job, and your consistency truly inspires me. Exercise 2. Seated knee lifts, 50 repetitions. For our second exercise, we will perform seated knee lifts, a wonderful movement that strengthens your hip flexors, improves lower body coordination, and keeps your joints active. Please take a comfortable seat on your sturdy chair. Sit with your back completely straight, your chest lifted, and your shoulders relaxed. Place your hands gently on the sides of the chair to support your balance. Keep both feet flat on the floor. In this exercise, you will lift one knee upward at a time, bringing it toward your chest as comfortably as you can without leaning back. This slow and controlled movement helps improve mobility and stability, especially for seniors over 60. Remember, this is day 37, and your consistency is what makes real progress possible. I am here with you, guiding you step by step, just like your personal trainer. Now take a deep breath, sit tall, and let us begin our 50 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep your core tight, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, wonderful rhythm, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stay steady. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing great. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep lifting. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Do not stop. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Excellent effort. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Stay strong. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Take a moment to notice how your legs feel. You should feel gentle activation around your hips and thighs. These movements may be simple, but they are powerful when repeated daily. How are you feeling now? I would love to know. Please tell me in the comments which country you are watching from and how this exercise feels for you today. Keep going strong, my senior family. Ladies, exercise is powerful, but if you truly want to feel lighter, younger, and more confident in your own skin, you need more than movement alone. Nagano Tonic gives your body the natural boost it's been missing. It fires up your metabolism, melts stubborn fat, increases energy, and helps you feel vibrant again. Thousands of women your age are seeing real results faster with this tonic. Link in the description. Don't miss your chance to transform your health. Exercise 3, standing side leg raises, 50 repetitions. For our third and final exercise of the day, we will perform standing side leg raises. This movement is excellent for strengthening the outer thighs, hips, and improving overall balance, which is especially important for seniors over 60. Please stand up slowly and position yourself beside your sturdy chair. Place one hand gently on the backrest of the chair to help you maintain proper balance and stability. Keep your back completely straight, your chest open, and your feet firmly planted on the ground. When you are ready, raise one leg sideways in a slow and controlled manner. Lift it only as high as your body comfortably allows, without leaning your upper body to the side. Your goal is gentle, steady movement, not speed. This exercise helps keep your hips mobile, supports better walking posture, and reduces the risk of imbalance. Remember, I am right here with you, guiding you just like your personal trainer. Now let us begin our count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your core firm. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent balance. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, stay tall. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, wonderful strength. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep going. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, do not stop. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Great control. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Stay focused. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Take a deep breath and relax your legs. You should feel your outer hips working and your balance improving little by little. This daily commitment is what makes you stronger every single day. How are you feeling after finishing all 50 repetitions? Please let me know in the comments and also tell me which country you are watching from. You are doing an amazing job, and I am proud of your effort today. Great job completing day 37. Tell me in the comments if you finished all 3 exercises, and share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so we all stay strong together. See you tomorrow for day 38.